Hey guys, so welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube automatic dubbing. So guys, if you have this problem, what you could try to do is just simply go to the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and now from here go for the YouTube Studio, and after that just simply go for the content on the left side and just simply go to a video that you have having a problem with and select details over here or the pencil icon. And after that guys, just simply go ahead and go to the languages over here on the left side, and from here you should be able to see all of the languages that you have, and you can just simply select over here published and select the arrow pointing downward and just simply select delete over here in order for you to remove that dub, and just simply select delete. Now, to turn off automatic translation, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the left side down below, and just simply go ahead and go for the upload defaults and go for the advanced settings, and just simply scroll down a little bit and just simply select this one, allow automatic dubbing. So just simply click on it to turn it off, and just make sure to save it to remove the automatic translation. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.